Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we have a clean and decorate with me. I am going to be decorating for Easter and for spring. I am only gonna do a little bit of stuff, but things do need to get changed up just because it was over the winter and I wanna add a little bit more color and stuff like that, but I am trying to do minimal. I don't want too much clutter and all of that. So I bought a few things because I realized I got rid of like all of my Easter decor last year. So I just bought three things, I think. Just a couple little pieces just to add that I think I will like. I know the kids would like. So that was mainly my purpose, but I will flip you around and show you all the new things I got and then we will get cleaning and decorating. If you guys like cleaning, organizing, and motherhood and lifestyle videos, I hope you subscribe. I have tons of it here on my channel. I'm currently doing a decluttering series and also spring cleaning and just going room by room and cleaning everything. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that little notification bell so you are alerted when I upload videos. So let me show you everything we're going to be using and then get started. So here is everything that I'm going to be using to decorate. I found this at the dollar store and I thought it was adorable. This is new, and these two little guys are new. So this can be used all the time, whether I'm having fresh flowers, my garden will be starting soon, or what I decide to do with it, but this I can use for anything. So I got the white, they had like pretty like spring colors. They had like this color blue and they had a lavender purple and a pink and a yellow. They were really pretty, but I figured I wouldn't be able to use them as much as I would with the white. So, and then look at these two. I thought they were so cute. I got one to represent each of the little kids because they're just super cute. So I got those at Michael's. So these three things were from Michael's and this was from the Dollar Tree. And I have this sign that just says have faith. I brought out a few of my like bright runners and placemats. I have this, which I am going to put, I'm not sure yet. I already have the front done. I might put it out in the back, I don't know, but I'm going to find a spot for that. Then, oh, I did buy, I forgot, these two chargers and I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna put like colorful plates that I already have on there and put those out in the kitchen in our little eat-in table. I also bought a new rug, but we needed that anyway for the front door. And then all of this is just stuff I already have. I have this little egg garland. We have some dried flowers. We have just some greenery, some bunnies, and a couple of cute things. So we are going to get everything organized and cleaned and decorated.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, and you
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through.
What we do is what we do.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you.
Oh, oh.
Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're out of tight and you. I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know that you don't know, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know that you don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side. And I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way. Don't let me down, down, down. It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah.
Are all done. It was, like I said, very minimal, so it did not take me long. Just kind of cleaned up. I changed some of like the decor that I used for all the seasons, like those little cake stands that I had, and just things like that, just to change things up a little bit. So I'm gonna go out to the front door. I'll show you the walkway, not the walkway, the front door and like the little porch there, and then I will show you the rest of the house. So this is how everything looks out front. That's just a bunch of fake flowers and my little galvanized, that the candle fell in there, but there's a little like candle holder in there. And then our mats, looks like I need to sweep again. And then I changed out the wreath out here because this one was just so much bigger, so I think it looked better on the front door. I might get a ribbon or something, like burlap or something to put on it. I think it might look, just give it a little bit more color and a little detail. And then when you come in, I put our new rug here, and I absolutely love it. I love how big it is. It just takes up a lot of this space, and it's very plain, and it just goes with, I do a lot of navy blue in my decorating, so it just really matched and went well with everything. So then when you walk up the stairs, then you come over here, and I left this because I just bought this, so it kind of still goes. It's light and just plain tan. It can go with any season really, but I got this little Happy Easter. This was one of the new things that I got, and it's not focusing on the price tag, but it was $2.99 at the Christmas tree shop. That was very cute. And I had this from last year just to give it a little bit of color over here. So that is everything over there. Then there's nothing new over here. Everything same old, same old. But then all of our decor went to over here. It's still very simple, but I really like it. There are the two little bunnies that we got. I put that little Hello Spring sign there. Then our little egg garland, and then I put two of the little bunnies right there. So not too much going on, but just enough. I think it looks really cute. And then over here, I just love this. It's so plain and so simple, but that's just kind of my taste and what I love. So I just got some fake flowers. These are all from the Dollar Tree, and they're actually beautiful. So those are just in that little milk jug that I showed you guys that I got just there on the table. Then over here, I just changed out the darker, it was a burlap runner, so I just changed that out to this little, like, I don't know, it's like a doily, I forget what this is called, but this one has pretty little tulips on it. Put this little greenery here on the cake stand, and I have our candle, and then our lantern, and that is it. But I do have this over there with the little bunnies and the little pom-poms. I had it, you probably saw me, I changed it from the fireplace because it was just too much going on to here. So I just thought that was adorable, and I love the little pom-poms. And then going into the kitchen, again, nothing really in here, just these. Put new placemats down, and we have the chargers, and I just put some brightly colored napkins with these pretty greenery ring holders, and then coupon for Dairy Queen up there. And then I just moved that sign, it was hanging here, I didn't like the way it looked, so I put it up there. Have our diffuser going, and then obviously that's set up for 2. And then I just put our little have faith sign. It's hard to see because of the lighting, but it's so bright and sunny out here today. There we go. Just says have faith, and then our little greenery wreath. And let me see. Oh, what else did I do? I put the wreath that was on the front door on the pantry door. It just is a lot smaller, so it looks a lot better. And then in the bathroom, we have another little greenery here. And then I just put a little chubby bunny, as Austin said, in the bathroom. So nothing crazy, very simple, very plain, but just a little bit of Easter and holiday spirit. So that is it for this clean and decorate with me. Like I said, we kept it very simple, very minimal. I don't like it too cluttery or too busy. I used to love like every square inch of my counters and table and everything like completely decorated and like full of stuff. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just funny how over time your tastes have changed, and you're like, oh, I look back at pictures from our first house and the way I decorated it. Granted, I was 21 when we bought it, so I was very young, but I had to have like a bright yellow kitchen, and everything was sunflowers, and I think I put like a border of sunflowers and all that up there. It was awful. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!